It's April 2026, and if you aren't using AI to make money in Ethiopia, you're missing out. You don't need a camera or a studio, you just need a strategy. Here is how to dominate the Ethiopian YouTube space right now. Strategy 1: Faceless local channels. First, automated local news. Use AI tools like Gemini to find trending global tech or news, then rewrite the script in Amharic or Afaan Oromoo. Add AI voiceover and stock footage. You can publish multiple videos per day without ever showing your face. Strategy 2: Modern design niches. Second, modern village architecture. Search demand for modern rural house designs is extremely high. Use AI tools like Midjourney to generate stunning 3D home concepts. This attracts diaspora audiences, which can mean higher CPM and international views. The payoff. The secret is not just creating content, it's using AI to optimize your titles, thumbnails, and SEO for the Ethiopian market. The competition is still low, but the demand is growing fast. Want my top 10 AI prompts for Ethiopian creators? Comment AI below and subscribe for more digital growth tips. Let's get to work.